How to translate WhatsApp messages using ChatGPT. First, open the WhatsApp app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then tap on your own profile. Now write +18002528478. Then send it. Then tap on the number and select chat with option here. ChatGPT chat will be open. Now go back and copy the text you want to translate. Tap and hold on the message. Then tap on the three dots at the top. Now copy it. Go back to the ChatGPT. Now write to translate this message and tap on send button. See, ChatGPT translated this in English. And that's it. This is how you can translate WhatsApp messages using ChatGPT. If this helped you, follow for more quick WhatsApp tips.